Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we post food-related content, recipes, hacks and a lot more fun stuff. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into the world of easy sandwich recipes. Perfect for breakfast. These are not your average peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Instead, we are preparing quick and easy sandwiches that are not just tasty, but also nutritious, to help you start your day right. So, let's get started. Breakfast Sandwich Recipe 1. Avocado Egg Sandwich. Our first sandwich is a delicious avocado egg sandwich. For this, you'll need 1 ripe avocado, 2 boiled eggs, 2 slices of whole grain bread, salt, pepper, and chili flakes to taste, lemon juice. Starts making the sandwich. Just mash the avocado and mix it with chopped boiled eggs. Add in your seasonings and a squirt of lemon juice. Spread this mixture on a slice of bread and top it with the second slice. Your avocado egg sandwich is ready. So delicious and satisfying. Breakfast Sandwich Recipe 2. Peanut Butter Banana Sandwich. Our second sandwich is a sweet treat that you can whip up in no time. You'll need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 ripe banana, 2 slices of bread, honey to drizzle. Starts making the sandwich. Spread the peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Slice your banana and arrange it on top of the peanut butter. Drizzle some honey for added sweetness. Now, put the other slice on top. There you have it, your peanut butter banana sandwich is ready. The peanut butter and banana combo is a classic for a reason. So tasty. Breakfast Sandwich Recipe 3. Caprese Sandwich. Our final sandwich is a caprese sandwich. You'll need fresh mozzarella slices, fresh basil leaves, tomato slices, olive oil, salt and pepper, 2 slices of ciabatta bread. Starts preparing the sandwich. Place the mozzarella, basil, and tomato slices on a slice of ciabatta bread. Drizzle some olive oil and add salt and pepper to taste. Top it with the second slice of bread. That's it, your caprese sandwich is ready to be devoured. This sandwich is fresh and flavorful. A great way to start the day. And there you have it, folks. 3 quick and easy sandwich recipes perfect for breakfast. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy recipes.